Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a practical, no-nonsense book for aspiring entrepreneurs, How to be a Capitalist Without Any Capital by Nathan Latka. If you are you have ever thought, I don't have money, so I can't start a business, this book will flip this idea on its head. Nathan Latka is proof that you don't need a big bank account or fancy connections to build wealth. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you will learn four unconventional rules that can kickstart your journey to financial independence, even if you are starting with zero capital. The first myth Latka debunks is the obsession with being original. Instead of trying to reinvent the wheel, he says copy what works. Look at successful business, find out what they are doing well, and replicate their model, but with your own twist. It is not about stealing ideas, it is about learning from what is proven and executing it better, faster, or cheaper. For example, if someone's running a subscription box services for fitness gear, why not start one for gamers or hobbyists? The framework is already there. You just need to adapt it. Next, Latka flips the traditional advice of focus on one thing on its head. He believes that diversifying your efforts and having multiple income streams is key. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, work on several small projects that can grow over time. This could be fina- freelancing gigs, online courses, or even SaaS products. The idea is simple. If one stream dries up, you have got others to fall back on. Diversification is not just about for investing, it is for building your empire too. Here is some advices that might surprise you. Don't follow your passion. Latka argues that chasing what you love can often lead to bad business decisions. Instead, focus on what makes money. Identify gaps in the market, solve problems people are willing to pay for, and build systems that generate revenue. Passion comes later, when you are financially secure and can afford to pursue it. One of the most powerful ideas in this book is the importance of building systems instead of trading your time for money. Latka emphasizes that to scale your income, you need to automate as much as possible. This could mean outsourcing tasks, building software that works on an autopilot, or creating passive income streams like online courses or subscription models. The goal is to free up your time so you can focus on growing your business, not just maintaining it. Here is a bonus gem from Latka. The 10% age rule. You don't have to be the best in the world. You just need to be the 10% is better than your competition in one area. Whether it's faster delivery, better customer service, or smarter marketing, that small edge is enough to dominate a niche and grow your business. Nathan Latka didn't just write about these ideas, he lived them. He built and sold a SaaS company with no coding skills, created a podcast that generates six figures, and even bought a private plane, all while staying true to these principles. His journey proves that you don't need capital, connections, or even extraordinary talent to succeed. You just need strategy and execution. How to be a capitalist without any capital is a wake up call for anyone waiting for the perfect moment to start their journey. That shows that it's not about having resources, it is about being resourceful. So, which of these rules resonated with you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more entrepreneurial insights, and share this with someone who needs a push to start their business journey. Remember, you don't need to be rich to start, you just need to start. See you in the next video.